Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga with Krishna. I'm Yoga Guru Krishna. So guys, we are learning a new yoga pose or pranayams every day. Today we also going to learn something like that. But what we are learning today, I'll tell you in a while. But before that, I want to request you, please, if you are new here and you are watching first time video on my channel, then please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you will get more video updates every day. I do this kind of useful videos. And now, what we are learning today. So guys, today we are learning that's called surya namaskar or sun salutation. So how we do it with proper breathing technique, with proper the posture, everything I'll teach you step by steps, and then we talk about the benefit and who should not do it and all the things. But before, just learn this one and do it with me, and then we talk all these things about later. So just learn first. So now guys, let's learn surya namaskar or sun salutation with proper breathing technique, with proper step by steps. So first I'll teach you step by steps and then do it together like the next set. This one is I'll teach you. In this one, the first position is like namaskar position, like this one. I'll do it that way, but I'm just for you. I'm just doing it so you will see how it looks like. This one is first. And now while breathing, here is breathe normal. While breathing, you just legs wide stretch like this one and go from just upside, face up and like this one, and then from here while breathe out, go down like this way. So this is the actually how it looks like, but let's do this way. Okay, from here first, here is a breathe normal, and now while breathing, stretch your full body, full arms up, fingers wide, go front, and from here breathe out and go down like this one. If you can't go that far, that's fine. If you do it like here, then it still is okay. Just breathe out and go as far as you can go, and then put your hands side and take your right leg backside like this, and your both hands should be just both sides of your left leg here. Okay, so now my left leg is in middle of my both hands, and here breathe in and lift your face like this way. Then while breathe out, take your left leg back and breathe out. Now you can take your heels like this one, and if you don't have that much of flexibility, or you can put your heels like this one on flat. Okay, if you can't do that, that's okay. You can be like this one only. Okay, so do as you comfortable. Okay, and now next one, while breathe normal, put your knee on yoga mat and don't change of place of your hands. Your hands should be there only. And now in between both hands, touch your chest. Stomach lift, don't touch your stomach on yoga mat. Okay, chin. So this is the position, the 6th number. Here breathe normal, and now stomach touch, flat your ankle like this one, and do 7th position while breathing, bhujangasana or cobra pose like this. Now place your legs like this one, and same breathe out and make this V posture. And as you take first time your right leg back side, now you will take your right leg first in front. Okay, and breathe in. Now breathe out and take your both legs here. Now again the same, while lifting your hands from front, breathe in and wide hands down while breathe out. Okay, so this one is first part. Now in this one you did with right leg. Now we do with left leg. So in left leg, I'm not going to tell everything, every details. In this one I'll just only tell you breathing. Okay, in this position you will take breathe in and breathe out. Now first, while breathing, breathe out, Now left leg, breathing, breathe out, breathe normal, while breathing left, breathe out. Now left leg front, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Okay, so that's it. Now you learn proper sun salutation or surya namaskar. But keep in mind, every position have different breathe, so keep in mind the breathe. Don't do it in normal breathing. Like when you're doing it like this one now, then breathe in. So when you're lifting your hands, then you kind of inhaling slowly. And next position you exhale and go for the next position. So that's about, now you learn proper sun salutation. So guys, now you learn how to do proper breathing technique, surya namaskar or sun salutation. Now just do it, and if you thinking about how many times, then if you're starting, then I suggest you please do 2 times with each leg, like 2 times with right leg, 2 times with left leg, as I taught you just before this section. So just do 2 times with that, and if you are comfortable after this the sum of 4 times, then you can go for 2 more time, like 1 time more with right leg, 1 time with left leg, so it's a kind of equally 6 times. So that's enough for starting, and after some time practicing, like 10 or 15 days, you can go for 8 times, then again next 5 days you can go for 10 times. So that's how many times you should do it, surya namaskar. And now let's talk about the benefit, the major benefit. First, the surya namaskar combine of 12 asanas. So when you're doing it, you kind of doing a 12 asanas together. It's like a flow yoga. And then, so that's why it's give you proper whole body stretching. So there is no any part that can't stretch while doing it. So every body part, every body muscles use it when you're doing surya namaskar. So it's you can say it's a very good for weight loss, because when you're doing it, every body part getting toned. So it's good for weight loss. It's also very good for digestion system, because when you're doing it, there is in some pose your stomach stretch too much, you put so much pressure on your stomach also. So it's a give you good digestion system, and that's increase your metabolism rate and give you good core strength also. And also you open your chest, your lungs, this chest part, so it's gonna give you good strength to your lungs and your heart. So if you have any kind of heart or lungs related problem, then it's also cure that. And it's very good for neck issue. And one more thing, if you know when you're just lifting your neck, it's very good for thyroid cure. Again, it's give good toning to your lower part. It's good for hamstring muscles to open up. So by doing this one, you will also get flexibility. It's very good for anxiety problem, and it's a kind of balance, maintain your blood sugar level and blood temperature level. If you're having like low blood level or maybe high BP, it's also maintain that too. And apart from that, it's good for insomnia. Surya Namaskar also cure your back pain and give you right posture. So that's all about the major benefit. Now we should discuss who should not do it. First, who is having very major back issue, please avoid it. Knee issue, avoid it. If someone having like a neck issue already, like very major pain, if you are doing it, then please don't lift your neck like this. Just keep your neck straight, and that's it. All about who should not do it. And now, if you find this video useful, then please share with everyone, and you also subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you will get more video updates. And the last one, if you have any kind of issue related to your health, any disease or anything, just please comment in comment section and tell me, so I'll try to make a video on that. That's it about today. Tomorrow we are going to learn something new, something useful. So till then, bye bye, have a good day.